Hello viewers, this is Kirtana and you're watching KitKat channel. Today's topic is about DBMS. And now in this tutorial we are learning what is DBMS, why we need DBMS. DBMS in the sense database management systems. These three words are connected to form a word called DBMS. Database in the sense collection of data. And what is data? Data is nothing but information, and this information must be stored. To store this data or information we need a software. Of course software might be managed to store the data, and this software is none other than a management. And what is management? Management in the sense management is just a software to store the data. And coming to systems, what is systems? Systems in the sense it just gives a permission to the management. It just allows the management to create, manipulate and share the data. So DBMS in the sense database management systems. Database in the sense collection of data. Data is nothing but information, and this information must be stored. To store the data we need a software. The software is none other than management, and this management is nothing but management is just a software to store this data. And systems in the sense it just gives a permission to the management. It just allows the management to create, manipulate and share the data. And this is a brief explanation of DBMS, and now I am going to talk about definition of a DBMS. So now I am going to talk about definition of DBMS. So DBMS is nothing but DBMS is a software that facilitates the process of creating, storing, accessing and retrieving the data. And MySQL and Oracle are the best examples of DBMS. Why DBMS? Previously, in earlier days, we all of us use file system for storing the data. Unfortunately, file systems may contain drawbacks. Drawbacks in the sense like data redundancy, inconsistency. So these type of drawbacks may contain in the file systems. So to overcome these type of drawbacks, DBMS has came forward, and now we are using this DBMS for storing the data. So like this DBMS has came into picture, and for storing the data purpose only we are using DBMS. So guys, this is about today's topic. Today we learned what is DBMS and why we need DBMS. Database, we have learned about what is the brief explanation of DBMS and the definition of DBMS and why we need DBMS. And if you understand this concept in a similar way, in a easy manner, please like, share and subscribe to my channel KitKat. Thank you.